What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to help prevent another yard from flooding by running out their downspouts and sump pumps to the front of the house because they have water getting into the basement. So let's get started. All right, over here in the back we have the downspout, the back of the house. We're going to have it come out. We're going to 90 it going this way, going all the way down. We're going to tie in the sump pump line into it, this downspout into it, take it out here 45 and come over here to the front of the yard. That way, when all the water comes out over here, it'll be able to facilitate out in the yard and everything, drain into the ground and not go back to the house recycling. So let's get right to it. And here we go, have it all dug out now. This is gonna be our mini dry well, which we went a little deeper because as you can see, the head looks like a layer of stone dust because this plot of land used to be one house. They demolished it and made two, so that was left over. But we wanna make sure everything can drain into the ground the best way possible. We have all this going. We're gonna have the sump pump, downspout tying in. Everything is dug out all the way to the back downspout. We're gonna be going under the fence. Everything's gonna tie in, have the clean outs. So now time to pipe and make sure we have the correct level. All right, and now we have it all finished up. Got the downspout, everything hooked up how it should be. And now we have all the pipe, making sure all the level. We are down to the level here, and we have it continuously going on all the way over to here. Yeah, go ahead and keep that baby down, and then we're even more down to the level over here. So we have a nice good grade going all the way. Pass down here. We got the sump pump, everything glued up. Everything comes down, comes over here. We're down to the level here. And then we made all this. There's a bunch of concrete and everything, but we're still able to get down to the level here. And it all comes down to the mini dry well with all the rock, filter cloth. Always make sure you burrito wrap over. And that's exactly how it's gonna go. Now to backfill, show you how it works. And here we go, this is how you test the system. You put the hose in the furthest part, which is the downspout here. And it's going all under the ground, all the way. Down here we got the sump pump and the downspout tied into it. It comes all the way down, 45s, down here to the catch basin with the mini dry well. So now all the water's gonna do, when it makes its way here, it's gonna come in, it's gonna start draining into the ground. Once it can't drain into the ground anymore, it's gonna build up and overflow. So now we're just waiting for the water. And here we go, here comes the water. It's all coming in, building in. And right now it is filling up the dry well. So now we just wait for all this to fill up and then it is going to overflow. So while it's also being able to fill in there, it can drain back into the ground. This also helps prevent against freezing. So now time to wait for it to overflow. And here we go. This is what happens. The water builds up, facilitates out of the catch basin and everywhere else. Now the water just goes into the yard and can facilitate back into the ground. And when this is done, and there's no more head pressure or anything from the water, from when it's raining or the sump pump on, everything will be draining back into the ground even quicker. This is exactly how you help prevent your basement, yard, crawl space, everything from flooding by running out your downspouts and your sump pump. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.